Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Amazon Basics 9-inch laminator. So if you have a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper like this is exactly what it's made for. So let's open it up, see what we get. So I've actually used this more than a couple times already, so just kind of give you an idea. Let me zoom out a little bit too, so we can kind of see that a little bit better. And then this is the laminator. Alright, we'll get the box out of the way. So basically it's ready to go right out of the box. So we'll just plug this in. Alright, so that is that. And you're basically going to be inserting through here through the front of the laminator. And then it'll eject through the back. And it has this button here in case you get a, something weird happens, get a jams or something like that. I haven't had that happen. It's run pretty successfully. And then you need a stack of laminating paper. I say paper, I meant laminating envelopes. I guess that's what they're called. Laminating sheets. So that will pull a laminating sheet out. So that's 8.5 by 11. So we'll just open that up. And centering is always kind of the tricky part on this. So you want to kind of get it centered, and you want to have an even gap all the way around. So that might take a little practice to get. Let me move this laminator actually out of the way so I can get this sheet set. I think we're just about good. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I like to make sure that things are kind of just about perfect. Okay, so let's turn it on. So you have a setting that's 3 mil or 5 mil on this side to give you a general idea. And let me see what these are. So 3 mil. So we're going to set it to the 3 millimeter setting. And then we are going to just wait until it warms up a little bit. And it is a little cool in my studio. Obviously I'm wearing my sweatshirt, so it's a little on the colder side. So we'll just let that warm up for a second, and it will turn green when it's ready to go. Okay, so see how that green light is on? So it is ready to go. And on the front it has your lineup marks. So this is going to be a letter. So we are going to basically feed that in. And I always like the sealed side go in first. I've had the best results with that. And then I will slowly feed it through. So almost complete. And then there you go, a nice and perfectly laminated and protected sheet. And does a really nice job. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe and have fun with your Amazon Basics laminator.